Look at that cheetah. He's a polar bear and he's a cheetah.
I was born for to be warm in the snow so I can go out and eat gazelle.
What's up?
I can eat gazelle.
Yeah.
What are those prints? Are those cheetah prints or polar bear prints?
Or abominable snowman prints.
Look at it.
Let's take a look.
Oil
What are those prints from?
We made them. It's from my paw.
Are those polar bear paws or cheetah paws?
They're both.
Oh. Are you crawling back
I'm a
through?
cheetah and I have thick warm shirt.
Oh.
I'll go over to you and eat you,
Ah!
baby gazelle.
Don't eat me.
I want you to be a baby gazelle.
I'm a baby gazelle.
I'm a cheetah.
Okay.
I'm a cheetah.
You're a cheetah?
I eat gazelles. But I'm a brother, actually.
Oh, yeah?
And my dad actually gives me food.